Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how I prepare this egusi soup using sesame seed. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have all my ingredients prepped already, and this is the main ingredient, the sesame seed. This is how it looks like. It is very tiny and white in color. I'm going to transfer the sesame seed into the small blender and go ahead and blend it. If you use bigger blender to blend it at this point, it's not going to be very smooth. That is why I'm doing this method. This is exactly what I'm looking for. I will transfer into the bowl and repeat the same process until I'm done. I transfer the blended sesame seed into the blender and add the onion and some water, and I will blend them together. This is optional, you don't have to do this, but I like to blend it with onion. That's why I'm using this method. In a pan, I add vegetable oil and palm oil and allow to heat up, and I add locust beans and I will stir fry it for only 30 seconds because the oil is really hot. At this point, you can add onion, but I'm not going to add onion because I already blend the sesame seed with onion and I added the blended pepper. I will stir everything together, cover and allow to cook for about 10 minutes. This is 10 minutes later. I will add the blended sesame seed. You guys can see it looks like egusi already, and I will stir everything together and allow to cook on a medium to low heat. This has been cooking for almost 5 minutes now. I will give it a gentle stir and continue to cook. This is exactly what I'm looking for. I will stir everything together and go ahead and season it. I added 1 seasoning cube, some salt and some turkey stock. Add a bitter leaf. If you don't like bitter leaf in your egusi soup, you can use ugu, you can use spinach, you can also use kale as well, but I'm using bitter leaf. I add some water into the blender and I pour that inside the egusi soup. I will stir everything together and go ahead and add the turkey and the fish. You can also use chicken to prepare this soup. I will stir everything together, cover and allow to cook until it's done. Point the egusi soup is done, I'll go ahead and add some crayfish powder. This is a great alternative of egusi if you are living in diaspora. If you don't have access to egusi, a lot of people have tried this recipe out and they come back to testify. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more recipe, also share. And if you try out this recipe, please come back to this video and leave me a comment. See you guys in my next video.